Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. I haven't been online posting because I haven't had anything positive to say until right now. Yeah, that's right. This is a priority mail box, and Poppy's unboxing something he spent money to get. Is our lucky shipper lucky, or is he going to get flamed on YouTube? We'll find out. Reamer Index. Reamer Index. 1 to 60. Hoyt, St. Paul. I presume that's in Minnesota and not on Mars. Oh, look at these. Oh, I gotta zoom in. Poppy's gonna zoom. Zoom. Oh, God. Yes, gang, that's right. It is a genuine set of unobtainium number reamers from one they just packing out of there. Very nice that they put that in there to keep them from ho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Babe, did the guy tell you that 70 of these reamers were missing?
What the hell do you want? Why does everybody keep bugging me? What?
Did the seller tell you that 7 of these reamers are missing?
No, it's supposed to be 60 of them. Count them.
There are 7 spots where there's no reamer.
Well, I'll tell him then.
I'll write the numbers down for you.
Yes, I need the numbers before I get online, bitch.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's another one of these civic cups.
This index. My wife bought this off eBay from William Carg in Millington, New Jersey. My wife is going to be contacting him very shortly.